guys, welcome back to latest in tech. Hope you guys are doing well and healthy. So today I've got an exciting video for you. Today we are going to unbox this the world famous Casio watch. The model number is F91, as you can see, F91W, and the MRP written here is 1095, but you can buy it for 900 rupees, somewhere around 870. So this is basically like a $10 watch, and apparently this is like the best watch in the world. So imagine the best watch in the world and only $10 or 900 rupees. It's gonna be fun. So let's start unboxing it. So before unboxing, I would like to tell you that I am a watch guy. It's fun, you know, to have different watches and to collect them. I have an Apple Watch. As you can see, it is the Series 8, the bigger one, 46mm, and it is the cellular version. Nice watch. And as you can see here, I have some different watches, Fossil, as you can see, and then I have certain Skagen watches. This one is really nice watch. And I have Amazfit, so basic watch. And then here also I have couple of watches, Titan, Fast Track, and some just fashion watches. So today we are here for this watch. So let's just start unboxing it. Very simple unboxing experience. I'm unboxing with you guys. I mean, for 800 rupees, 900 rupees, what more do we accept? It's a good hard box, nice colors, blue and white. So let's just see. I'm also excited to see the watch. Oh damn, so this is it. Looks really nice actually in person. So some time is set, it's not the current time. Let's just unbox it. Okay, that's a nice packaging for a 900 rupees watch. So what else do we get? This warranty and 2 years of warranty. Can you imagine? 2 years of warranty. And you get some tag or something stating the price. And basically this is the watch. I'll just remove it. So this is the watch, guys. It might look stupid, right, for a guy in 20s who can buy and afford so many watches, buying an 800 rupees watch. But money is not the problem here. The main thing is purpose. I think this watch is great for purpose, for checking your time when you need it, and not to care about the watch like getting scratched or getting dented or something. So let's just see how the watch is. Let me show you a close-up. As you can see, it's a really good looking watch. Seriously, like, I have all these expensive watches. I have a 60,000 rupees Apple Watch, but this looks really nice even compared to this expensive watch. It's very light. Awesome. It's very light, it's very thin, and it doesn't look cheap. Seriously, like, these texts and all are very sharp. This display is very sharp. It's not that small also. It's good size. The band says resin material. Seems very nice. As you can see the thickness. Compare this to an Apple Watch. You can see how much difference it is. Oh my god. There's no comparison only. This one is like a phone on your wrist, whereas this one is so nice. Very light. And I don't care. That's the point about this watch, that I don't have to care if it gets scratched. You know, if I do like this, if I do like this, I shouldn't care. I shouldn't care. I should look at the watch. I should just see the time, and that's it. Doesn't matter if I do it like this or if I wear it and I just bump on the wall. That's the whole point of this watch. So I'm just gonna wear it and show you how it looks. Okay, so here it is, guys. I put the watch on my hand and I set the current date and time. It was very simple. You can figure it out on your own. So this is how the watch looks. It looks a bit small, I know, but this is what I actually wanted. I wanted a watch where I don't realize that I'm wearing it, and this is exactly what it is. If I go any bigger than this, then it will get heavier and all. So as you can see, very thin watch. Looks small on my wrist. My wrist size is a little bit on the bigger side, but the normal average Indian wrist size. And yeah, this is basically the watch. And this watch is for purpose. It's for checking the time. It's not to show other people that you can't buy watch. don't fall for that. So wear whatever watch you want. If you want to wear this 900 rupees watch, wear it. You shouldn't care about what your friends will say or what others will say about you. You don't need all these expensive watches. It's okay if you have it, it's fine. You wear all these watches, these are also nice, but wear a watch which you are comfortable with. And this is a nice watch, especially for wearing at home while studying, so that when I'm studying and this watch hits the table or something, I don't have to worry. I just look at the time and that's it. So this watch also has like a timer and all, alarm is there, stopwatch is there, as you can see. So I can time my studies, do Pomodoro technique, and basically a nice watch. So this was it, guys, a small unboxing and review about this Casio F91W. This is like the most famous watch of all time apparently, and it's nice to add to my collection. It doesn't mean that I'm not gonna wear all these watches. I'm gonna still wear them. I'm gonna wear my Apple Watch at night, so that I can track my sleep. And also the alarm, I really like the alarm on Apple Watch. It taps you. So I'm gonna still wear this at night and all, but for inside the home, for checking time, for just walking, I think this is an amazing watch which you should add to your collection. It's only 900 rupees, and majority of the time it is out of stock. So I bought this, and again it went out of stock from Amazon. So I'll give you the links. I even ordered it once from the Casio website, but they didn't ship it to me, and then they refunded the money. So I got it after 2 times. It's a nice watch. It'll tell you the time and it, and that's it. Very simple watch. And I think if you're into watches, you can really get this watch. Just don't think that this is a cheap watch or anything. Just get this watch if you like watches, and main purpose of the watch is to tell time. That's it, to tell time, and so that you can use it for a very long time. So all these technologies, this speakers, the iPhones, they all get obsolete after 5 years, but these watches, these are some things which can always last for a long time. Even this Apple Watch, it's not like it's gonna last forever. In 3-4 years this will stop working and I have to get the battery changed and all. But something like this Titan watch, that Fossil watch, Kagan watch, they can last for a proper lifetime. So you should collect some watches, but don't get into proper collecting hi-fi watches, because there's no end to it. You'll buy one Rolex and then you'll get to know that, oh, there is some watches which cost $500,000, and then some watch will cost like $1 million. So don't get into all that. Just collect it for your own fun and don't compare with others. So that's it, guys, a small unboxing about this youth series Casio watch. I'm gonna wear it throughout the day, and at night I'll go to my Apple Watch, and keep switching, keep trying different products, and just enjoy life. Okay, guys, that's what I want to say. So thank you for watching the video. Like and share. If you like this, do buy this. It's really nice. It's nice to have some watch where you don't have to care about it. You just keep it like this, use it, and that's it. And thanks for liking the review of Bose speaker. Enjoy your existence. Bye bye.